It's such a treat to address all of you in Knoxville today, and I'm thrilled to help mark this exciting milestone for IACMI, our Institute for Advanced Composites Manufacturing Innovation. This ribbon cutting is a fitting occasion to celebrate all that IACMI has accomplished to date and all the progress that's still to come.
As we said, it's a safe space for people to innovate, to move technology forward.
We are uniquely positioned due to the efforts of the people in this room to have a huge impact, to bring those relevant results at scale using this ecosystem. The time is now. This is the group to do it, and I'm really excited that we have this opportunity.
Knoxville has a great central location with UT and all the composite, the IACMI group. We found that the talent pool and the technology that we need to go to the next level in our evolution for automation, it was just a no-brainer. The amount of resources and things that we're finding here is just second to none.
We believe in partnership, the partnership with all of our other campuses across the state, with the state of Tennessee, with Oak Ridge National Labs, and with the federal government. And this is a great example of what comes from a great partnership.
Our research is all about making life and lives better in Tennessee and beyond. And IACMI has been such a tremendous partner for us in developing these kind of solutions and discoveries.
We decided to set up the business in this space for the cross-collaboration and cross-pollination with IACMI members. Being here put us in the heart of the ecosystem, give us brainstorming possibilities with great minds. We can discuss with them, get an outsider view, and help us think outside the box.
I think we're just really excited that IACMI is renewed. There's a lot of projects that we have lined up with industry.
I feel strongly, as I think many of us do, that in this next phase, with the accomplishments that have been made so far, with the facilities that we have, with the expertise, IACMI is really positioned to overcome many of the challenges that are facing U.S. manufacturing.
IACMI's primary role, in my view, is to bring together the human talent and from all aspects into one organization.
So today I am thrilled to announce that DOE is going to be extending our partnership with IACMI with a continued investment over another 5 years. We can't wait to see how this renewed partnership helps IACMI channel the collaborative spirit that it has into tangible innovation.